All right, y'all, good morning. It is Wednesday morning. We just finished our tricep and chest workout. We rocked it. How'd you do, Jonathan? Pretty good, pretty solid?
Yeah, that's
very
good.
Nice. How you this morning, Dylan?
I'm doing great.
Good, good morning, good morning. How you doing, CJ?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Kayla? Crystal? Jack? Just joking, I love you. Trish came in late, but how you doing, Trish?
I'm good.
Good, good. Alright, y'all, I'm about to fly out to the airport to go to the Metabolic Health Summit, but I wanted to say bye real quick to the crew. So, crew, see you, man. Have a good one.
You go?
I'm out of here.
I love you, man. I'm
out of here.
Have a good trip.
I'm gonna miss you.
I'll miss you more. I'm out of here. Y'all have a good one.
Hey!
Take care. Take care. Alright, y'all, we're at the airport, headed to Denver, Colorado. Running late. Here we go. We're at the Los Angeles airport. I'm sitting in like the baggage claim area trying to edit a YouTube video and waiting on somebody to meet me here. Alright, so we're here. I picked up this stranger with me, man. I don't know.
Help! You got a place to stay, man? You got
This guy, homeless guy walking around. We're gonna go get a In-N-Out burger.
Yeah, 9 or 10 patties.
In-N-Out bound. Here we go. All right, look at the line at In-N-Out Burger here. And go in and find a place to sit. All right, 20 patties, man. You ready?
It's nothing.
We just got done eating, and then we hooked a ride with an Uber, and we are now at our Airbnb. Just walked in, about to go check it out. What do you think so far, Danny?
That's where the magic is gonna happen. This is where we're gonna make some content, I guess.
We got a little table here, little kitchen, it's kind of nice.
Yeah.
And then little living room area. I'm digging that.
That's a nice size.
Looks like a bedroom in here.
Oh yeah.
Light's not working, but bedroom here. Bathroom.
There's no light in here. Oh, you know what? This.
Oh, it's the lamps. Another bedroom here, and then closet. Pretty nice though. One thing that Danny and I both have noticed since being in California is the rampant smell of marijuana. Mary J is running around here hardcore. Cannot go anywhere without smelling it. I'm about to eat the other half of my keto brick. And what do you want to do tonight, man? What time is it?
Yeah, that's
7:41.
Let's go walk around.
We're gonna go walk around, hit up the town. So we'll catch you on a bit. What is going on, y'all? We are closing out this clip, but we thought we'd bring you up to speed. I'm sipping on some Keto Vitals potassium. Danny's got some kind of chamomile tea over there, and we're just shooting the breeze. We've been talking about our training. Tomorrow we're gonna do back heavy and biceps hypertrophy, do some deadlifts, do some rack pulls.
This is gonna be the most I've lifted consistently for the past month and a half. So we're gonna have 3 good days of lifting. Back tomorrow, chest
Back,
on Friday,
chest, and then legs.
Legs on Saturday.
I think it's crazy. His arms are so big and it doesn't ever work out. Like
You know what though? Like doing 50 pull-ups every day at 225, 230 pounds. is gonna definitely give you.
So you do 200 pull-ups.
50 pull-ups every day.
50 pull-ups.
Yep.
Pull-ups are no joke, man. You're going all the way down, stretching out, and coming all the way up.
Yep.
What do you consider the top of the movement? Like when your chin's above the bar?
Yeah, my chin.
Chin's above the bar.
Because you can do the chest to bar, but then I don't like that extra internal rotation that you need. I don't.
And you do a wide grip or like a closer grip?
So most days I do wide grip because that's what I have in my house. But then sometimes when I do it at Crunch, they'll have the neutral grip, and I'll just switch to that neutral grip.
I like that the most.
I do too. Yeah.
Feels more natural.
That's the natural alignment of your shoulder. Yeah. That's why, like, when you have someone with a shoulder issue, especially if they have that, because you have 3 different types of acromions. You have like the type 1 here, type 2 is here, and type 3 is a hooked acromion. That person is not even going to be able to do overhead stuff. It's going to hurt them to do overhead stuff. But someone with like even a type 2 acromion, you just do this, and it's just a tiny bit less internal rotation. It's just a natural, much more natural alignment. So if you're doing pressing, horizontal pressing, vertical pulling, it's all.
Makes sense. Makes sense. The gym is supposedly like
700 feet.
700 feet from our location. When we got this Airbnb, we based it off of where the gym was. So,
I was really happy you did that.
Spoken like a true meathead.
I did. I was happy you did that. Yep.
Yeah. So that'll be good. And then the conference tomorrow starts at 1 p.m.
I think the first speech or I think Dom is gonna do the intro right sometime around 5, and then I think at 5:15 Dr. Ludwig is gonna come on, and I'm super excited about him because he's the one who he was in one of the people who published that study that came out in October. You know, the one about the increased energy expenditure with lower carbs. So that one was awesome. It was like they split the people up. They all lost about 12% of their body weight. Then they put all of them on isocaloric diets with the protein, everything the same except for the carbs. So group 1, 60% carbs. Group 2, 40% carbs. Group 3, 20% carbs. For every 10% drop in carbs, for every hold on. I think it was 10 calories for every, I forgot what it was, but either way. So like the 40% burned about 90 calories a day more than the 60% carbs. And then the 20% carbs burned about 290 calories more than the high carb group.
And you said calories were isolated.
Calories were the same. So that means that the energy expenditure was greater with the lower carbs. So if you're a person who says, oh, carbs, it's all about calories. Well, if it's all about calories, we're burning more calories. And then the best part about that was that they wanted to test the insulin hypothesis. So what they did was that at the beginning of the study, they took these people's insulin and they broke them into thirds. And the people with the highest third of insulin release, so the ones with the highest insulin in the before the thing started, had the best result. They were like 300 calories more a day or something like that. So they burned even more calories because their bodies worked better. Amazing. It's just.
So he's speaking. He's gonna have his own speech and also the intro.
I'm sure he's gonna have to mention that. He's got 45 minutes, and he's probably gonna talk about that because that just came out in October. That's a hot study, man. That's my favorite study in a long time.
Yeah, I like it. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good conference. This is the first time I've been in the Metabolic Health Summit, so I'm excited. There's gonna be some big names here.
Yeah, man. I looked at the vendors a little bit, and it's kind of the same people that we know, so probably nothing new there.
It'll be good though. We'll get footage of everything. Stay tuned. It's gonna be good.
Yeah, I just want to meet Vinny. I can't wait to meet Vinny.
Yeah, it'll be good. It'll be good. We'll see y'all tomorrow.
Cheers.